How to reset all settings on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. From here, you can choose to reset all your settings, network settings, keyboard, home screen layout, location and privacy and more. From the options, select Reset All Settings. This will factory reset your phone and delete all your phone settings such as your network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style and more. You can also choose to reset the settings separately. Following these steps, you can easily reset all settings on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.